To use the camera on your Pixel phone, open the Camera app. To take a photo, tap the shutter button. To view the photo that you've just taken, tap the photo preview to the left of Capture. To take a selfie, tap the switch camera icon to the right of Capture. To change the zoom level, tap on the numbered zoom options. Hold and drag your finger over the zoom options to get the right zoom level. Or pinch to zoom in and out. To adjust settings, tap the gear icon at the bottom left. Here, you can adjust settings like Auto Night Sight, Top Shot, Motion Photos, and more. If you have a Pro phone, switch to the Pro tab to adjust Pro settings, like 50MP, RAW, and manual lens selection.